Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, and I wanted to show you, I haven't made anything Christmas today because I am working on my swaps for September for Daisy Deb's Facebook group. And I am in a cutesy Halloween gingerbread man, woman, apple picking, and flower swap. So I'm finishing up the cutesy Halloween right now. So I'm still working it. There's 6 people that I'm actually swapping with, so I have to make 6 of everything. And here's my little dangles, my little charms that will be part of the swap. That's one of the things, and we have to make 5 things, but so I have some other options of what I'm going to make those charms, and I will, finish those as soon as I decide which one I'm going to do. But look at these, how cute they are. They're a little spooky, not so cutesy, but they're just a little bit of spooky. Okay, so that's the one item, and we have to have 5 items. Okay, so then you saw these last week that I made these. I have 2 more to make to finish out the swap. These are those little notebooks. I made them last week. And then I made these. So they're going to get 2 notebooks. So I do need to make 2 more of those. And I'll be finished with that part of the swap. And then let me show you the rest of what I made. So, just a moment. So I made a mixture of tags. These are tags from, these are KS Crafts tags. And let me make sure, I should have 6 of those. Let me make sure. Yeah, I should have 6 of these. I guess I mixed them up. Well, I thought I had 6. I only have 4. Okay, well, I gotta go make 2 more of those. Okay. So I still have to make 2 more of these. These are little KS Craft tags that I have to make. So, wow. Thought I was done with that. No. Okay. Oh, wait. Here's one. There's 5. Let me see if I have another one. I guess I don't. There's 5, so I need to make 1 more. Wow. Okay, and then let's see real quick what I have. I thought I had all of these together. So I made a little pocket with this memorabilia. Let me see real quick. There should be 6 of those. I think they're cute. Yeah, okay. Oh, and I did find I have the 6th one of the tags, so I'm done with that. Yay. Okay, so there's the pockets I just made. Took a piece of paper, folded it up, made a pocket, and stuck some ephemera that I purchased from, this is Scrap Diva Designs, and some different ephemera that I put in there that they can use for those little notebooks that I made. They can decorate. So how many do I have? I have 5. I should have 6. Let me see. Oh yeah, here we go. And here's the 6th one. Super cute. I mean, not a lot of handmade in that, but super cute. And then I did have all of these felt stickers that I wanted to share, and I should have 6 of those. And so I just packaged them up, a mixture of all of them, and I figured they can use those for those little notebooks as well. And I thought those were super cute to package those. Okay. Not handmade in that one for sure. And then I did package up some more ephemera that some of it is handmade and some of it isn't. And this is from that collection, Simple Stories, Spooky Things. Okay. So a lot of ephemera, but I figured that they can use it in other ways. Okay, and then let me show you what else I'm working on. Let me put all this back in there. I had that all mixed up. And so I am working on these little pumpkins. This is a die cut. There's pumpkins and cats. And this is, I'm just using the scrap paper that I have left over from the Spooky Things collection. And I am trying to get it enough of these to package up for another part of the swap, and then I need to move on because I should have more than 5 things. I'm only supposed to have 5 things. But anyway, that's what I have so far. Let me know what you think. I haven't decided what I'm doing for the gingerbread man and the apple picking and then the flowers for this month. I haven't just figured out what I'm doing yet. But anyway, you guys take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.